It's 9 a.m. New Year's Day 2022. On my way to do a POTA activation. My plan was actually to do a video on my first POTA activation a couple of days ago. But, well, most things failed, so I ended up not filming anything. I'm going to film today, and hopefully we'll see what POTA is all about. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable, Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air. Park Lima Alpha 0208. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable calling CQ Parks on the air.
Thank you very much for the contact. Happy New Year for your activity on the portable. Thank you very much.
Thank you, 7-3, and Happy New Year. QRZ, Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable.
Alpha 4 Mexico.
Echo Alpha 4, come again. QRZ, Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable.
Lima Bravo, question mark. This is Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo.
Foxtrot 1 station, please come again.
Foxtrot Bravo Echo Kilo. Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo. Your call sign, please, again?
My call sign is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable QSL.
Okay, Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable. This is Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo. Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo. My name is Dominique, QTH, Aix-en-Provence, south of France. I spell it Alpha India X-ray Echo November Papa Romeo Oscar Victor Echo November Charlie Echo Aix-en-Provence, south of France. Back to you. Lima Bravo Oscar Fox India Portable. Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo.
Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo. Correction on my call sign. It's Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. And you are 5 and 7 here in southern Norway at Park Lima Alpha 0208 QSL.
Sorry, QSB. I don't receive you now. QSB, back. Lima Bravo Oscar Fox India Portable. Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo.
Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable. What's my signal report there? My signal report, over.
Your signal report is now 5-1. Very weak, but before it was 5-3. 5-3-5-1. Back to you. Lima Bravo Oscar Fox India Portable. Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo.
Foxtrot 1 Bravo Echo Kilo. Thank you for the 5 and 1. I'm going to say 7-3 and a Happy New Year. QRZ, this is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable calling CQ Parks on the air.
Q20.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP.
CQ20, Italy Tango 9, Golf Sierra Zulu, Italy Tango 9, Golf Sierra Zulu, CQ20.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable QRP.
CQ20, Italy Tango 9, Golf Sierra Zulu, Italy Tango 9, Golf Sierra Zulu, CQ20.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable QRP.
Again, QRP.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Portable QRP. QSL.
Lima Bravo 0, Lima Bravo 0.
Lima Bravo 0 Florida, Italy. QSL.
Roger. Lima Bravo 0, Florida, Italy. Lima Bravo 0, Florida, Italy. Good morning. Your senior report to your 5x3, 5x2, very QRM and QSB. Okay, your senior report, Morten, is 5x2, 5x3. Up and down. Okay, Martin.
Thank you for the 5 and 2, 5 and 3 there. You are 5 and 7 here in southern Norway. I'm doing a Parks on the Air activation here. Over.
Okay, Roger, Morten. Thank you for calling me. Happy New Year, okay? Happy New Year for you and your family. Thank you very much.
Happy New Year, 7-3.
73, good luck. You are alone.
Well, about 35 minutes into the activation, and this is going slow. Tried calling CQ a couple of times, probably not even, well, I had one response, and that's about it. Replied to a couple of other stations calling CQ. I'm at the moment at 6 contacts in about an hour, so this is going slow. Might not make the activation today, but I'm gonna try.
Italy Zulu 1, November, Bravo X-ray, calling CQ20.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP.
I have some much pure Mary. I don't understand. With Italy Zulu 1, November, Bravo X-ray, 20.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP.
QRP, QRP, please again.
Lima, Bravo, 0, Florida, Italy, QRP, QSL.
Now with the Lima, Bravo 0, Lima, Bravo 0, I think Lima, Bravo 0, Florida again.
Lima, Bravo, 0, Florida, Italy, QSL.
Lima, Bravo 0, Florida, Italy, QRP, is Roger.
QSL, that is Roger. You are 5 and 7 here in southern Norway. Over.
Roger. Okay, Roger, Marius. I think it's Marius in your name. You're 5 by 5, 55, and you have not much more QR Mary, but I listen 100%, and very happy to listen, and the compliments for your QRP. Excellent. Microphone back to you, Lima Bravo 0, Fox Italy QRP. I said 1 NBX, over.
I set 1 NBX LB0 FI QRP. Yes, thank you for the 5 and 5. There is some QRM a couple of kilohertz down here, so you're coming through, but you're drowning a little bit here. So I'm going to say 7-3 and good luck there. Over.
Okay, Roger. Sorry, what is it? Your senior report is excellent, but is some QR Mary on this frequency now in this moment. It's so much more QR Mary. Compliment for your condition, excellent copy, and good luck and Happy New Year for you and your dear family. Italy Zulu 1, November, Bravo X-ray. Thank you and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 7-3. I'm back in the shack after doing my second POTA activation today. Didn't go as smoothly as planned. First of all, the bridge we were going to cross to the activation zone was closed. So we had to walk around, probably about a 2-kilometer extra walk. And no one really replied to any of my CQs except for one French station. So I ended up having to hunt stations and work my way through pileups today. Got my 10 contacts barely, but only barely. It was cold. It took me about an hour and a half to get all the contacts. But would I do it again? Definitely. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.